Hi guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'm sure as you guys can hear, I am feeling better. I ended up getting better right before the new year, and yeah, I'm feeling a whole lot better. So thank you guys so much for saying get well and everything in the comments in one of my last videos. Really appreciate it, and I definitely am feeling better. Not 100%, but I'm much better than I was because my voice was terrible. It was just totally gone. So today I am filming two videos actually. I am filming this video and I'm also filming a new project that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing a project use up. It's pretty similar to Project Pan if you guys follow that. But yeah, you'll definitely want to check out that video. I'm going to be trying to use up some makeup products in this year, so it's going to be very exciting. I hope you guys will check it out. But for this video, we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So this is my first Dollar Tree haul of 2018. Whoop whoop! Very excited. Yeah, I've just picked up a lot of staples. I did see a lot of new items, but some of them just were not things that I personally will see myself using. And if there's one thing I am kind of creating a New Year's resolution for in this new year, is to not accumulate so much junk. So I am not buying anything that I'm not going to be using or that I know I'm not going to be giving to anyone. I'm just simply going to avoid buying it. So I do want to tell you guys there was lots of new things there at Dollar Tree that I did not pick up. Most of them were just like little housewares, home decor kind of items that I knew I would not be using. That's really about it. Not really too much stuff. I did pick up a lot of new items, but there were a few things that I had to skip over because I'm just not trying to accumulate all that stuff. So let's dive right in and see what I picked up. So one of the first things is, of course, these Glad sandwich bags. I pick these up anytime I see them. There's 22 of them in there. Now they do have the like Shore Fresh, I think it's called, brand, and you get way more bags for the same price for $1. But I personally really like Glad bags. I just think, I don't know, they're just so much better quality. I find I can even reuse them sometimes a couple times, so I stick with the Glad. And then for these bags, these are the Good Sense Zipper Seal Freezer and Storage bags. This has 12 bags. They don't have a Glad with enough bags. They only have like 5 in the box. So I decided to go with the Good Sense for these. These I usually don't end up using quite as much, mostly just for the freezer. So I did pick those up. Also picked up some candy. This is Jolly Rancher Sour Surge hard candy with a sour powder center. So I've never seen these before, but I am really excited to try them because I love Jolly Ranchers. And I also picked up these Welch's dried cranberries. This is a 6-ounce package, so pretty good size. I have seen these in there before, but I just kind of passed over them. But I don't know, I just thought maybe this would make a really good snack for me around the house. So I went ahead and picked them up. And I also picked up these Lance Nipchie cheddar cheese cracker sandwich cookie things. So picked these up. These are really good. My husband usually likes these in his lunches. I think one of them got smushed there, but yeah. He'll be eating these in his lunches, and I probably will eat some too. And then I picked up this Camilo's little personal pan pizza crusts. There's 2 of them in here. These are really good. They're made with honey, cholesterol free, trans fat free. So these are good. I think I'm actually going to make one of these. I'm going to make a little personal pan pizza for my dinner today. And then I also picked up this Apple Snacks cinnamon apple sauce, again for my husband's lunches, and sometimes I eat them as well. And I just noticed this is a product of Canada. Pretty cool. So got one of those. And then I also picked up one of these Snack Pack tapioca pudding. I'm not huge on tapioca pudding, but I'm going to try these out one more time, see if I like them. Ooh, sorry guys. Like I said, I'm still getting over it, but I'm better. But yeah, so I picked up one of these. Do pick pick up a lot of snacks at Dollar Tree, especially if it's name brand stuff. I pick it up. I repurchased these. This is the Columbina breakfast biscuits in mixed berry. They also have oats and honey. These are good. These are actually better than the Belvita breakfast biscuits, I think. Then those are, of course, like $3 or $4 something for a package. So yeah, and you get 6 packs in here. These are really good. My husband even liked these. He said they were really good. I personally like them, so repurchase those. And I'm also repurchasing these Buddy Bars. Once Bilal got into these, Bilal being my husband, he tore these up. So I repurchased them mostly just for him. Also picked up one of these Texas Pete hot sauce because we ran out. And also one of these Sauce Supreme soy sauce. This is a big old bottle. Not any kind of name brand, but this is just soy sauce. Ingredients look fine. So went ahead and picked one of these up. Nice big bottle of that. And then I also picked up, I'm actually going to do this first. I also picked up one of these bottles of lemon juice. This is 100% juice from concentrate. The ingredients, again, look pretty good. There's some preservatives in there, but, I mean, obviously they have to keep it fresh. But other than that, pretty good. So just went ahead and picked up this big bottle of lemon juice. And then I also picked up 2 more of these. This has been a, like, constant repurchase for me. This is the shatter-resistant tempered glass screen guard for the Apple iPhone 6s Plus. They have them for all different kinds of phones. I have picked these up, I don't even know how many times, because I am always dropping my phone. And let me tell you guys, these have saved my screen so many times. I'm not a huge fan of Dollar Tree electronic items, but these are legit. So definitely, if you see these, pick them up. They are awesome. And also, I picked up 2 of these. And I do feel like this may be a ripoff because I think I've seen these cheaper elsewhere. But yeah, these are the Hot Hands hand warmers. And there is 2 in each little pack. I actually picked this up. It says up to 10 hours of heat. I actually picked this up for my husband. He is a welder and he works in a place where they have no heat and no AC in the summer. And so currently, right now at our house, here where I live, it was 0 degrees this morning when he went into work, and right now the high is like 20. So every day it's been super cold, and he like is freezing his tail off because they don't have any heat. So I went in and picked these up. I figured he could take this in, at least he could be able to warm his hands up with it. So picked up 2 of those. And then here in the last bag, I picked up one of these veggie storage containers. This is really cute, kind of reminiscent of like the little strawberry or berry containers that you see at the store. This is really nice because you can just kind of transfer your veggies into here and then also like rinse in this little plastic container and then set it in this one, put a lid on it. I actually may end up going back and getting some more of these. But yeah, these are dishwasher safe. You can't put them in the microwave, but of course you're not going to microwave fruit. So yeah, went ahead and got one of these. May go back and get more if they have more. I think I may. Also picked up this 200 count of cotton swabs because we ran out. They had some Valentine's related stuff out already, but it's like way too early for Valentine's. But they did have these socks and they were super cute, and they can be for any time of year. They're not overly Valentine's. So I went ahead and picked one of these little socks up. This little heart is so soft. So I got one of those. Also, I picked up some hand soaps. This was a new one. This is from that Clar and Donver brand that they carry. It's in a fresh scent. It's antibacterial. And it's the foam. I've never seen this one in there before, so I thought I'd pick it up and we could give it a go. This was also a new one. This is Dial Soothing Care pH Balanced Hand Soap with Collagen. And a nice big little bottle there. So I went ahead and picked up one of those as well. And also, this is the Lavaris Whitening Mouthwash. My husband really likes this stuff. It works just as good as like the Crest or Colgate ones. So he really likes that. Picked up some more of that. And then I did find the fitness items at my Dollar Tree that everybody's been hauling. And I did pick up a couple things. I didn't pick up everything because I personally don't really need a lot of like little waist storage things. They also had like a wrist strap thing to carry like an iPhone, but mine is like the bigger version, so it doesn't fit in that one. But the one thing I did pick up is I picked up one of these toning loop bands, and I got the medium level because I'm definitely not into like hardcore working out. I do need to start working out more, so I think maybe these things will possibly help me, I hope. But yeah, I got the medium. They also had a heavy, and it's basically just like a little workout band that you can use. It's a little bit stretchy, but it kind of has that resistance there. And I just picked out the blue color. They had other colors. As far as I know, they were all the same size. So I think what I'm going to do is end up using it kind of like this lady, maybe like on the thigh and leg area, and just kind of do some stretching like that. Picked up one of those. I also picked up the fitness jump rope in the pink color with the black handles. You guys, anybody that works out will tell you, and I'm not even like somebody that works out, but jump rope is like the best cardio you can possibly do ever. It really like gets your heart going. So I think I am going to start doing jump rope because I actually like to jump rope. So I did pick up one of these. Very awesome deal. The lady cashier in there was talking about how she just got some of the same stuff at like Dick's Sporting Goods, and it was like really expensive, and this stuff is super cheap. And this one is the resistance band, so kind of like the lady's using it there. I also got that in the pink, and I think this will be really nice. She said this was really good as well, so it's just for building upper and lower body strength. You can also use it like with your legs and stuff. So, and then last but not least, and this was like going really fast, so I'm kind of glad I snagged one of these. There was also one for kids. It said like Get Fit Junior, but this is the Get Fit card kit. It has 32 cards in here. It says take your workout to the next level. So it looks like this, and then it says you don't need high-tech wearables to remind yourself to exercise. So this is a little card kit, and it has little like workout moves in here. Kind of gives you ideas for different kinds of little workouts you can do. And it's in this nifty little card kit. And it looks like you can even like make a little dice and then like kind of pick like a random color or wild. So that's kind of cool. It's almost like a little game. And then, of course, the deck is in here, so I'm not going to open that up. But I thought that was really cool, and mine had one for kids as well. It said Get Fit Junior, so that's something really fun you could do with your kids. But, of course, I don't have any kids yet, so I just picked this one up for myself. And that's everything I picked up, so it wasn't a huge haul, but definitely a very productive haul, and my first haul of 2018. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of these items, or if you have hauled these items as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe for more beauty, style, and haul related videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.